According to research, organically grown fruits have 40% more antioxidants than conventionally grown fruits. And a lot of people say they can't afford to buy organically grown food. It is a little bit more expensive, but isn't your health and aging backwards worth it? Here's some examples of organic fruits and why you should eat them. First of all, the tomato is actually a fruit, even though most people think of it as a vegetable. And tomatoes, are grown on the vine, and they're so good and they're so full of all kinds of antioxidants. And when you pick fruits and vegetables with red color, those are especially good for you. Avocado is another example of a fruit. Some people don't know that avocado is a fruit, and a lot of people say that avocados are very high fat. And actually, they are kind of high in fat, but they're the good kind of fat that's really good for you. Apples, you should be especially careful to try to eat organic apples whenever you can, because conventionally grown apples are notorious for having a lot of pesticides. And mangoes are delicious anytime, and organic mangoes are even better for you. And of course, the citrus fruits. Anytime you can get organic, it's recommended.